Good morning, everyone. Today our presentation, Material Management, presented by Dr. Khulud Mukallaf from Technical Institute for Administration. In this lecture, we will know concept of material management, aim of material management objective, relationship of material management with the other function of material management, the scope of material management, material planning, chapter outlook. Concept of material management. What's the material management? So, first we need to know what's material. Material is central item and activity of any organization. So, what's the material management? Material management is a function which aims to integrate approach toward the management of material in an industrial undertaking. Material management is defined as the function responsible for coordination of planning, sourcing, brushing, moving, storing, and controlling material by using a BAST method. Aim of material management. The aim of material management is to get the right quality and the right quantity of supplier at right time, at right place, and at right cost. Material management objective. Buying, storing, and movement of material are three basic objectives of material management. Optimize investment in the inventory is the primary objective of material management. So, the main objective of material management is shown in the next figure. Set plans, low cost of the buying or brushing material, protect improvement, currently or a new product, good record for the material or fellow material or material that required to the any process, solve a problem for material department, a new material and product, a good information system, choosing the right supplier. Relationship of material management with the other function. There are a number of relationships of material management with the other function like finance, marketing, inspection and control, quality, and protection. Function of material management. The main function of material management are material planning, brushing, receiving and inspection, warehousing, transportation, indoor and outside, inventory control, material handling, and remove scrap and value analyze. The scope of material management. The scope of material management is vast. Vast means widely. And the function of material management can be classified in the following way. Material planning and control serving to the customer at minimum cost. Brushing, storage management, inventory control or management, value analyze, work environment, and just-in-time. And there are a separate chapter for discuss what means just-in-time. Material planning. Material planning is a scientific technique of determining in advance the requirement of raw material, mean and spare part, etc., as directed by the protection program. It is a subsystem in the overall planning activity, and this figure shows how the material management or planning is working. So the first material, raw material, and then supplier, manufacturing, distribution, customer, and final customer. And there are many factors which influence the activity of material planning. These factors can be classified as macro and micro system. So what do you mean by macro factor? Some of macro factors which affect material planning are price target, business skills, import policy, etc. While some of micro factors that affect material planning are plant capacity or manufacture capacity, which is operation or use it, rate of damage in the production, lead time, inventory level, work capital, and control and communication. Summary. Material management is considered with the management function, supporting the complete skill of material flow from the brush and internal control of production material to planning and control of work in process to warehousing, shipping, and distribution of the finished product. And this figure show how all functions in the organization work with the material management department. Chapter outlook. In this chapter, we have some questions for you. What do you mean by material management? Exercise 2, explain the objective of material management. Exercise 3, discuss the scope of material management. Exercise 4, give the meaning in the Arabic for this term. Raw material, planning, sourcing, brushing, controlling material. Final exam, attribute this paragraph about mixed and buying company into Arabic. If you have any question, so thank you for listening.